Hello again, everybody. It's Michael here with your latest supply and demand market report. This will be our video on the cryptocurrency space, looking at Litecoin, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. I hope you've all been well and trading well. Just a reminder before we begin, as usual, that this is purely for educational purposes only and not a solicitation for you to do anything with your money. So Litecoin is having an interesting day today. It's had a huge spike. I'm sure there's probably some news that's come out, but it's now taken out that supply zone. It's come out and taken out these highs up in here. So it's trying to hold. It's stopping the bleeding that it's been doing. It stopped that already. But what it does from here is now a matter of let's wait and see, because this is not something that I would encourage anyone, experienced or not, to trade. Is it going to come down here, or is it going to go back up and try to continue going up? It's a watch now. It's a let's wait and see. The levels ultimately that we prefer are down here. They're these levels down in here. This one is okay. It's not as low as we would really like, but it's the origin of this huge move, isn't it? So that's why it's on our radar as well. But for now, it's caught in the middle of no man's land, trying to decide direction. And going to Ethereum, it doesn't have that crazy move. It's still stuck in a very tight range. Ethereum is. And you can see it that the lines we drew from I don't know when still hasn't broken through it. That line, it's still flagging, and whether it's going to use this as a platform to rise, we'll see. But for now, several weeks of not really much movement, no direction. It's building a base for another move, so we'll see which direction that goes in. You notice the levels we've drawn in are still there, still relevant, not taking them off yet. And finally, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is moving. They've had a move down in the last week, trying to get out of this tight range, but whether it holds, because if you could look here on the daily, it pushed really down and just stayed. So ultimately the level we're interested in is down here. Okay, these levels here. All right, that will be that. So thank you all for watching and for liking the videos. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you again next week with another short video on the cryptos. Take care, everybody.